Getting ready to open up his gifts, Skylar is.
Now come here, wait, you here a minute.
There ain't no way to stop this.
No, Skylar, don't do it, honey, when you're done.
Oh.
Oh, it's my birthday, boy.
Here.
13 today.
Open this one from Daisy and Jimmy. She's dying for you to open this. Right there. Open this up, she's dying.
Sorry, Ashley.
That's Skylar's favorite.
No.
Yeah, guess what it is.
Now the kids picked it out. I had nothing to do with it.
I picked one up.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. What is that?
Master.
Who is it?
Yeah.
Who's that? Is that Roman Reigns?
That's Seth freaking Rollins.
Oh, well,
Skylar,
he's the United States champion. They'll have that one out for long.
No,
I already have them.
it's okay.
Yeah, that was from Deja.
This was from Deja.
Let's see what it is.
Hey, man, those here. And you can hand it to Skylar. Hand it to him.
Don't open it,
He loves wrestling, don't you?
That's from Deja.
To be a wrestler.
I'm the one that got the wrestle.
He wants to be a wrestler when he grows up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Skylar never told me that.
Let's see what Deja got. You ready?
Oh, cool. Wow, we went and seen that movie before, remember?
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
No, he actually loved me. Thank you.
Daisy, is that what you got him? Huh? That's pretty cool. A book? Sketchbook. Use that for the art stuff.
Yeah. Current pencils. Where is that from? Wow.
Oh.
Keep it. That's a cake on it.
She's going off.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh, mommy's down.
We actually got plates for cake. We got plates for cake.
Close your eyes.
Oh my gosh. What about mine? I do yours next.
I'm coming. I'm just eating.
Close your eyes. You ready? No, you can do yours later. No.
No.
Close your eyes.
What
You ready?
is that?
Close your eyes. You ready?
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
You ready?
Do it sideways.
Yeah.
Sideways, remember?
Open.
Oh, ain't that cool?
No, his is sideways, Mom.
It's a blanket.
Look.
Linda made it.
Blanket. Show it.
Linda
show
made it. Daddy's sponsor made
Jimmy
it.
wants to see. Skylar, show Jimmy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show Jimmy. Wait, show the family?
Yeah.
Thank you, Linda's Designs.
Isn't that nice? It's Sonic.
Close your eyes so she didn't see it. No, wait.
Here. Now let me show it. Let me show it. Let me take a picture. Oh,
Yeah.
I'll get back here, but I can't get back here. No farther than that. There we go. Yep.
Yeah. Skylar, get with it.
Right there.
Come here, Deja.
You are good?
Yeah.
This is Sissy.
Yeah, my sponsor from Ohio made that one.
I ate all of that. Wait,
Her name's Linda Cook. She used to go to church with us, so she had to move to Ohio because her mom got sick and stuff. She has to take care of her. But she does that on the side and stuff. So she makes my shirts and stuff and other things I need her to make. And so she cuts me half off on deals, so that's pretty cool. I'll have it made and then show it off, and if the fans want it, then they send me a message. So it helps me out a whole lot. That way I don't have to pay a lot.
Yeah. I used these in my wrestling set.
That's what I thought.
She said she could make one for me with all the everything that I've accomplished with my racing, from dirt racing to drag racing. It's pretty cool.
I like those blankets.
Oh yeah.
Who's that from?
Yeah. There you can't see.
It's a picture of a dog.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Oh, more money.
40.
There you go. Wow.
Thank you, Hunter.
Well, thank you. Oh, sorry, Dad. I didn't know you was there.
Put the money in there.
Hi, I'm Paul. You look over here.
I know.
That's 40 is not turkey. You can do it.
Hey, pictures, take pictures like
But you
mine.
can't do it.
I video, take pictures. Kind of weird.
I'm gotta go over on yours.
I ain't hoping you do that.
More cards? More cards?
What day, Johnny? That's from.
Wrap it in there.
Okay.
It's from Big Gal. Yeah.
Who's that one from?
Happy birthday to you.
And Gail. And Gail. Oh.
Skylar, wherever today takes you, I hope it keeps you smiling, laughing, and celebrating the whole day through and having an awesome birthday. We love you, Mark, Bill, and Jessica.
That's 25.
Sorry, Dad.
You're up to 65 right now. Yeah. That's cool.
It hurt my aunt
Thank you.
and gal.
Even Sonic on your shirt too.
Yeah. That's actual spray paint, actually.
Just jump it up.
I got this at Pigeon Forge Walmart, and they done this at
Yep.
Pigeon Forge Walmart.
We sure did.
Alright, son, you're another year older in the world. It's another year's luck here.
He did.
Have you been there? Yeah. Oh. That's 75. Okay. Thank you. I have the same one in watching you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Skylar. We love you. I got the same one.
Who was that one?
How I need.
Oh, cool.
Very much. Same one as Skylar. From Nanny and Homer.
Thank you, Nate Bubba.
You're welcome, man.
Last one. You can go eat.
What are we doing on a big car?
I'm done eating.
Are you done eating?
Yeah.
I'm done eating. Ice cream.
Oh,
Me too.
Come on, just take. I didn't remember to tell you, it's okay.
Oh, the ball.
Who's that one from?
Mommy and Daddy.
Son,
Oh.
we need to have a word.
Uh-oh.
Skylar, happy 13th birthday. We love you so much very much. Happy birthday, son. Love you, big boy. You, God, your dad. Pringles. Actually, love you for it. You're a terrific son. You make us so proud. We love you. What a great guy.
Oh, sorry.
Simply awesome. That's
Sorry.
our bud. Skylar, the next
Oh my gosh, that's the
Pizza
biggest
with
car
Louis
ever.